It's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna country.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Machiavelli. If you are new, thanks for tapping in with your girl. Hope y'all enjoy the video. And if y'all are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, what's up you guys? Glad to have you again. Today's video will be about how I install Sexy Red. This is my 30-inch. I made it a bust down, but it is a full lace frontal wig. As mentioned in the video, this is my third time installing this wig. I just, if you guys watch my other frontal video that I had posted, I had did the same wash routine to this wig to keep it fresh and restore it back to its, snap it back, you feel me? So I washed it, I did a conditioner boil with it and just let it do what it do. It still got body or whatever, But if you guys want to see how I installed this wig over my dreads, stay tuned to the video and I hope y'all enjoy it. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell so y'all know when I post. So the first thing I'll be doing is working on this braid down. So in order to achieve a good braid down with my locks, I do about four braids, and so I do about 4 braids. Maybe 6, I don't know. Got to moisturize my scalp. Just a moisture boost hair grow hair dress. I would put my own oils in here, but the only bottle I got is one that I made for my mama, and she stayed complaining about me using her oils because she really don't got that much. I need to make her some more. But all my oils are in storage from when I moved. So I'm just going in with that on my scalp, moisturizing it, rubbing it all in there.
This practice made perfect, nigga. It's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch.
So now I'm gonna go in and start the braiding.
If I go bro, she gon' leave escape. She gone. I put 2 million in the safe just in case. Don't go my way. No cut. Street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah. You can talk crazy on tweet. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seed. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mom still say what he wants to. Cause still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this place. They using my name for big bait. Bitches even wanna start fake beats. To sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta purchase to launch. So fuck being tame, they'd rather be wild. Bitches is bendy, they wanna be down. Soon as these bitches got something to sell, they say my name, that's in the child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If plus you, I'll hate me, bitch. Read my projects, suck my dick. That token, I'm calling it out. Collect opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you got a bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do couch back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for
So I'm gonna have 6.
clout.
You really just want to work with your head shape and
They do anything for clout.
the amount of dreads that you have, so it won't be like bulky anywhere. And it don't have to be perfect, it just gotta be flat as possible. I think I did a pretty good job on getting it flat. I don't know how the back looks, so whatever. Once they're done, take my clips out. And I'm gonna put my hair in little ponytails. I'm gonna turn them like in.
Slide on that pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand.
I'm gonna slick back my edges.
Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you let it taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, niggas wanna fight me. Nigga, get your ass checked like a fucking Nike. Me not icy.
Got me a brown wig cap.
Like a fucking icy. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch want the Fenty, not the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. Make the
It
bitch
is a
scream.
little small.
Pretty little thing. Like my nigga AE. Say, yada yada me. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you let it taste? Yeah, that's cool.
Bitch, I ain't talking about heat. Put it on. Screw. Run out. Screw. Screws.
Oh, okay, stop.
Run out. Screw to a penthouse. Screw out. Screw to a penthouse. Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. See these weirdo every week. Put it up, put it up for my seed. Put it up. No care for the IG disease. No, do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LQK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love. Yeah, swapping the house on my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it. Practice, 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 make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never, never, never. I see the out of the snake. I took the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the paint. The blog and the media fake.
It's all done, you guys. That's how it should look. It's pretty much dry, but while I'm waiting for it to fully dry, about to prep this wig. This is a wig that I'll be wearing. It's 30 inches. Full lace frontal. And the way that I will be prepping it is I'm just trying to push back all of these flyaways so I don't glue anything down that I don't want to glue down. So just about to just brush back all of these hairs in the front because I don't want to glue none of this down. None of these flyaways. When I get them all out the way, I'm going to take a little bit of this spray and just brush. And then I'm going to clip it. All the hairs that I pulled out the way, I'm going to clip this one. So yeah, y'all, that's just what I did. Brush down all of that. So I'm gonna cut this wig cap off.
Store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until
living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can see I'm blind.
Slide on that pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you let a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, niggas wanna fight me. Nigga, get your ass checked like a fucking Nike. Me not icy, that's unlikely. And she gon' suck me like a fucking high C. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch want the Fenty, not the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. Make these bitches scream. Pretty little thing. Like my nigga AE. Say, yada yada me. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you let a taste? Yeah, that's cool. Slide on that pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't
Going
got
on
no
some
style,
cream foundation
I be rocking it like it's fresh out
and
the
just
pan.
tinting that lace up.
I'm the middleman.
This is how I look, you guys. It has like a little bit of a cast on it, but we're gonna fix that in a minute. Now we can start the style.
Like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you let a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, niggas wanna fight me. Nigga, get your ass checked like a fucking Nike. Me not icy, that's unlikely. And she gon' suck me like a fucking high C. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch want the Fenty, not the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. Make these bitches scream. Pretty little thing. Like my nigga AE. Say, yada yada me. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste.
But thank y'all so much for tapping in. This is the finished product. No Philly, no Philly. Yeah, hopefully y'all like the video. Be sure to comment, like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell if y'all are interested in seeing when I post. But I'll see y'all in the next video.
Bitch ain't talking about he, put it on.